All right, guys. Today, 21st August and Monday. So I'll do some live trading. So let me find out some key level. All right, just the market open here, 914 in my computer. Here we can see, and right now time is 914 and market just open here. So we must find out the key level. All right. So now here you can see this is the key level. So why is it key level? Let me show you something most important. This is the bank Nifty, and let's see. Okay, let me show you a larger time frame. So first, let's check in a daily time frame. Okay, this is a daily time frame, and a daily time frame here I can see the price are almost just a little bit above the supporting line in a spot chart. All right. So basically, we have seen in a spot chart price are bouncing from that level. This level, this one, you can see like 43,500. That was a very important line level. All right. So let me show you here. Okay, and I can see this is price are bouncing from this area, bouncing from this area, and the bouncing from this area. So that is why this level is most important. Okay, so but blindly we don't enter here. We don't turn as a buyer. Okay, so why I'm not looking for buy? So we need a confirmation. Okay, just a minute here. Okay, let me show in a spot chart. Let me draw a horizontal line here also. This is the most important line for me because basically I'm looking for buy above this level. All right, so if you see in a larger time frame, that was a resistance, the resistance, support, 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 and a support, very strong support. So that is why we are looking for buy in this area. Okay, so here I can see I basically using future chart. This is Bank Nifty future, August future chart. Right now, so here we'll see the price difference. Yeah, 43,950, and here 44,015. It's a little bit difference, but pattern is almost same. All right. So let me show you the pattern also. Let's check it. This one, 15-minute chart, and let me show you in a spot chart, 15-minute spot chart. So pattern almost same. Here you can see pattern also same. Okay. So basically, I use here a spot. This is a future chart to use V wave. All right. So to use V wave, we must use this future chart. But in a trading view, you can use that one. But I'm not using trading view most of that time because some data we are getting the data little bit delayed. All right, data a little bit delayed. So that is why I'm not using. Okay. So perfect. Now you can see this strong supporting line. Let me show you H1 chart also. Let me zoom a little bit. Perfect. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay. Now you can see it's a future chart. Okay. Now you can see that was support, the support, the support. Okay. Now it acts as a support. So that is why we are looking for buy. All right. So blindly we don't want to buy. So I'll tell you just wait. Okay. So what type of pattern we are looking for? So now you can see some similar pattern before market form during 20 July. You can see this one July. All right, July. In this area, price was running, and somewhere here was support. But now see when price are running in a downside, very clear, right? Very clearly they are running in a downside. So later here you can see just a little bit. You can say like merely they're forming a lower low, lower low, lower low, and after that, boom. Okay. All right. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now similarly, here you can see price are running in a downtrend, clear downtrend, no disturbance. Okay, perfectly pull back, again sharp move down, no disturbance. Okay, very smoothly, and goes up again very smoothly. They drop. Okay? Now in this area here you can see price drop very smoothly, no disturbance. Okay, perfect. Goes up little bit. All right, price drop smoothly. Okay, pull back. Now price gap down. Now you can see in this area some disturbance are coming in this area. Same pattern here also forming. There was some support, and here also some support. The probability to reverse back. I'm not talking it will run like a sky. So at least we are expecting the price will pull back to the level of 44,500 to this level. So that is where we are looking for buy, because this area can say like from here to here almost 600 points. We need to take only 250 points. All right. So that is enough. Okay. But here we can see another pattern are forming here. So let me show you. Price clear downtrend, or a lower low, lower high, and the lower low. Some you can say like a beach, and finally pull back. Now what pattern we have seen in H1 chart? All right. Now this is clear downtrend, but this area we are recognized as a pullback area. Okay, what is the pull? To what level price may pull back to the level of 44,500? Okay, so that is why we gonna catch only 250 to 300 points. Okay, all right, perfect. So why I'm not interested to take buy like a 400, 500 point? Why I don't wanna hold my position 2 to 3 days? So let me show you here the most important thing. So how exactly we analyze and how we enter in the market. So I'm showing in a live market right now 9:21. I don't want to enter here. All right. So now I can see according to my pattern, trend continue pattern, how market run. Okay. So just a minute. Let me show you here. Zoom a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now it's the clear chart. Okay. So everybody knows basically I enter in this market in a 3-way. All right. So I find out the key level. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now let's say price number 1. Okay. All right. Price goes down, pull back. Sorry, little bit. Again, sharp move down. So in that case, we find out this level and this level, these two levels. Means from where market starts running again, and another level where exactly market bounce from that area. Okay, so if market pull back again, we are looking for short near previous lower point. Okay, it is a probability to bounce again. Okay, this area, this strategy, all right, this called key level. Okay, all right, this level called key level. Okay, basically we are looking for short in this area. Okay, this is called key level. Okay, so this strategy called breakout of structure. Okay, remember that one. Breakout of structure, number 1 strategy. Okay, so that strategy we are sorry, we are going to apply in this area. Okay. Second strategy, number 2. Let's say price drop. Okay. Again pull back. Again drop. And again if price pull back to near this area, this is called supply zone. Okay. There is a probability to pull back from this area. So let's say if fail to pull back from this area, remember, first option here, we will short it here. Second option is short here. If break this area, means trend has changed. We don't want to short again. Okay. Third strategy, number 3, price sharp move down. Okay. Let's say price goes little bit. Again, price sharp move down. Now, what happened? First strategy, price pull back near lower point, right? Second, price pull back near this level. This is called supply zone. Okay. Now, here, third strategy, neither price goes near this lower point, okay, nor price not reach that level where exactly we say supply zone. All right. What exactly price are doing? They are holding, forming bridge. Finally, sometimes they give little bit spike, make people uh, confuse them, and sharp move down. All right. So this is called bridge. All right. Okay. This is the 3 strategy. Okay. This strategy, that means here is the 2 level. Nor is goes this level, no, or reach that level, no. They just hold here, decent holding. Sometimes give some spike little bit. All right, and again press bang like that. All right. So this is the 3 way I enter. Okay. Now here, now in this area, but just a minute. Okay. So here you can see in this scenario, I short. If price goes to this level, I'll short it if I get some confirmation, or this is the another. Let me show you properly. Then you comes to know, right? Perfect. Okay. Good. Okay. Because most important, right? So you just wait for the proper opportunity. This is the this is called supply zone basically. Okay? We use this as a supply zone. Let me change the color. So basically I use yellow. What happened? Okay, yellow. Perfect. Now I can see. All right. Or you can say, let me remove this one. Already I drawn that line. So let me pull it a little bit. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay. So this is the 2 level. Basically, I'm looking for short level 1. And another, if price fail to pull back from this area, and I'll short it. Now question is that so from here to here you can see almost 1,000 point above. All right, from here to this level 475 points, and up to this level 1100 points. Can I miss that opportunity? No, we catch the opportunity. All right, this is I just told you the 3 way I enter, and another way basically we enter in a 4 way. Okay, this is called trend reversal. All right, that means trend reversal. So let me show you here again. So means when price pull back to this level, and when they are bouncing, or you can say like a pulling back. So how we enter? All right. So let me zoom this piece, like this piece, okay? This piece, or you can say like this piece, okay? These 2 pieces, because these pieces are bouncing. All right. Trend is clear downtrend, and I'm just want to enter against the trend. All right. Okay. Perfect. So what type of pattern we need near supporting line? What type of behavior? What type of price action method? What type of activity we observing that it is a time to reverse? All right. So sometimes, okay. you can say like price may bounce from this area also, price may bounce from this area also, price may bounce from this area also, price may bounce from this area. So how we identify that price will bounce from here, or from here? So let me break this head. Okay. So in that, okay, let me zoom these pieces, these pullback pieces. Okay. That means it goes down a little bit, goes down, again pulling back. So we are breaking the code. How we identify that time? It's a time to reverse. Let's go and enter, catch the move. All right. So in that case, this piece. Okay. Let me remove everything. Now clear. Okay. So goes down, pull back, goes down. Now price will pull back. So now it's a perfect. Okay. Now lower point. This point we observing right now. Now later it will form. We don't know it will form or not. But this last piece we are just observing. Let's say price goes up, pull back, goes little bit. First we observing this area. It may pull back again. Go all right. Again price goes little bit. We are observing. Price goes up little bit. We observing. It goes little bit. We observing. That means we just observing the lower low. Basically, when we observe mostly, okay, when price reach near supporting line, okay, have it make sense? When price near supporting line, then we observe price action method. Okay, let's say here is a supporting line. So previously market was rejecting from this area, like price goes, pull back, goes up, pull back, again goes up, goes up, goes up. All right. Now price are dropping here. All right, dropping here like that, like that. Now we observe how price are forming. So in that case, we need two pieces. So previous video, so every video I explain why I enter when I see the two pieces. So when they are forming lower low, that means one piece. Forming, that is also one piece. They fail to form two pieces. Okay. Now again they form one piece. That means piece number one. When price goes up, that means piece number one piece. Okay. We need two pieces. All right. So again, let's say price drop. Now fail to create lower low. So in that case, again price trying to rise, rising and break this higher point. So that is our trigger point. This is called trend reversal. We enter here. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to real chart. Okay. Okay, now you can see this is the real chart. And let me show you here. Let me zoom a little bit. All right. So I already drawn here. So okay, perfect. Same pattern forming. Have you seen? This is the same pattern what I drawn. Okay. Now you can see here. All right. Same pattern. Okay. Now you can see here. Okay. How can I show you? Okay. Okay. Right. That's perfect. Okay. Now you can see clear downtrend, lower low, lower high, and the lower low, whatever forming doesn't matter. Lower low. Now this is the supporting line. Why this is the support, and the support. Now see the activity here. See the activity. So we need two pieces. As I said here, in this area, we need two pieces. Lower low piece one fail to create. Once they break this area, we'll enter here. So you can say like a double bottom W pattern, okay, whatever. What is the name doesn't matter. We need the pattern and activity. All right. We need the behavior, buyer and seller, fighting between them, who are winning, not exactly fighting. This is a bad word. Okay. So activity, who have a power. All right. Okay, perfect. So I'll use V wave also. Don't worry about that. Okay. So I already created a video about the V wave. So you just go to uh, in my YouTube channel. Okay, perfect. I can see clear downtrend, all right, and now price almost just a little bit above this supporting line. We need two pieces. So how we will identify the two pieces? Okay, perfect. Just a wait. So here you can see clear downtrend, pullback, and the downtrend, pullback, and the downtrend, lower low. All right. I count this tail also. So most of the people are not using tail, but I personally use tail. Tail means somebody was there, right? When price reached that level, someone hit in this area. Okay, so that is why it's important for me. Okay, so perfect. We have seen that is the one piece. This is also one piece, and here also one piece. They are forming a one piece only. We need two pieces. So we have seen price pull back again. Again, trying to break this level. So we already seen there two piece, and these two piece pattern are forming exactly near supporting level. This is the key level. All right. So I think 1 or 2 weeks ago I told that this is my supporting line. All right. We are expecting the price will drop because we never seen any two pieces point. We have seen power of seller. So that is why we expecting the price will drop to this level also. All right. And right now, price of exactly reached that level, and I just waiting to break this level and the level of. Let me show you the level call. Okay, perfect. Okay. Uh, all right. Then let me make it a little bit thicker, and let me change the color to uh, what color I like this one. Okay, perfect. All right. So I need a breakout. All right. So let me show you. Let me clear this chart first. Okay. Let me clear this chart first. Okay. Now you can see this is my two pieces point. I drawn around 44,080. This is the this level you can say. See? 4. In a future chart. Remember. All right. Don't use spot chart. Future chart. So what type of pattern I need? So if close above this area, I will place order here, all right, above this candle. Okay, so let's say I have seen a closing above this level, so I'll place my order somewhere there. Okay, let me show you in a 5-minute chart. What? So it's a 1 hour chart. Let me use 15-minute chart. Now you can see this is the 15-minute. All right. So we find out the pattern and the level in H1 chart. Now our NT will be around 15 minutes and 5 minutes. Okay, that is the important thing. Okay, so in that case, I'll use V wave. Let me take it volume. Volume also perfect. Perfect. Okay, now let me use V wave. Okay, don't be hurry here. Right. Okay, perfect. Now I can see we need the price above the V wave. Okay, now you can see V wave around the level of 44,000, but we need a price above this level. That is the confirmation number one. Another confirmation number two will be two pieces. Okay, so here you can see in a 15-minute pitch one, pitch two, and the price are now doing like that. We need a breakout. Okay, so in that case you can see like also some pattern also we need a breakout. Okay, so once break this level, so basically I use 15-minute chart, 15-minute candle. I just waiting a 15-minute candle close above this level 44,800. So once they place, I'll see what is my SL. So let's say this candle from like 50 point candle, that means perfect. I'll place SL 50 rupees. and my target will be 250. Okay, 1:5. Okay, my SL will be 50. I just place SL below this, below my candle. Okay, or if 100-point candle form, then if they form 100-point larger, okay, candle, then definitely I'll place the order, but I will increase my SL to 70 to 80 point, and I'll decrease my lot size almost near to half. Okay, let's say I buy like 100 lot, for example. When SL is 50 point, stop loss is 50 point, I place let's say 100 lot, and if my SL is like 100 point, if candle is bigger, then I'll reduce to 50 lot. That is the position sizing and money management, that is called. Okay, so my loss will be fixed. Okay, that is perfect. So in that case, I'll use like that. Let's say from here, and my SL will be somewhere 50, like that, 50 to 60 point. All right. Okay, my target will be 1:5. So ideally, I use 1:5. That is the perfect point. Okay. If my target is like here above this my resistance line, so I'm not going to place order. Okay, that is my entry point. And this is the upper side. In the downside, can I go for short? Definitely. Now, question is that can I sell in this area? No. My dog is barking. Don't worry about it. Can I sell it here? No. No. So I need a breakout this level of 43,800. All right. So once they break this level, I need a pullback again. And again, I'll use breakout of structure trading strategy in this area. So it's a probability to continue. So in between this area, I'm not interested to take any position. Remember, I'll wait and watch this market. So let's see. Okay.